Barbie! Today I'll be doing a Barbie makeup tutorial inspired by Margot Robbie's look in the new Barbie movie. After getting my skin Barbie smooth ready using Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base, I'm using NYX Can't Stop One Stop Concealer under my eyes, following with Jouer Essential High Coverage Foundation. After using the P. Louise eyeshadow primer, which is the best product for high color payoff on your eyeshadow, I use a light skin color eyeshadow below the eyebrows. From the Girls Night Out palette, pink obviously, I'm using Shade Babe on my eyelid. With the beach vibes, using this Tarte eyeshadow palette is our sure thing, which coincidentally is also the name of this shade. Then shimmery shade Frosé. And then going in with a dark brown eyeshadow. I'm doing a line going out from the outer corner of the eye and following the lash line under the eye. Then Sandbar, which is a lighter brown. And then using a medium brown eye pencil on my waterline. To make sure all my lashes are curled, I curl them first looking forward and then to both sides. Add mascara. To make sure the bottom lashes aren't too long, I'm removing some of the mascara by using 2 cotton buds the way I'm showing you. So this is the eyes done. I'm going to use contouring to try and emulate Margot Robbie's facial features and face shape as much as possible. Margot Robbie has amazing cheekbones, so make sure you highlight them to make them pop. Here I'm emulating Margot Robbie's natural shadows. Since she has a longer face than mine, I'm adding highlighter on my chin and forehead to give that illusion. I'm contouring my nose using MAC eyebrow pencil in Fling for precision. Margot Robbie's nose is wider at the top, then dipping in towards the end of the nose with a bit of a button nose and wider at the bottom. Use powder over the top. I'm then going over with Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder in medium. Using it here to make my eyes appear a bit closer together like Margot Robbie's. If you have eyes that already are close together, you obviously don't need to do this step. And if you have eyes that are too close together compared to Margot Robbie, you can use a lighter color on the inside instead of a darker color. I'm going over with the sculpting powder on the cheeks and also under my jaw to make it sharper. As my blusher, I'll be using this very Barbie looking thing, which is Too Faced Love Flush Love Hangover, which is like a corally pink. I'm using it on the apples of my cheeks. Then I like to use some powder over the top of my blusher to make it look like it's coming out of the skin and not on top of the skin. It might be a weird thing to do, but I'm going to give myself some eye bags, and it's because Margot Robbie have a bit of an eye bag when she smiles, and to make myself look a bit more like her. You obviously don't have to do this, but I want to emulate Margot Robbie as much as possible. I'm going to be using this color Sandbar again, which is like a light brown. I'm going to be using a very narrow brush, makes it more precise. Use some powder on a small brush to blend it slightly. You won't actually see a lot of the eyebrows with the wig that I'm using, but for anyone who wants to use a different wig where you will see more of the eyebrows, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Brow Blade in Brunette Betty, and her eyebrows starts quite low, then it goes up to a high point just above the end of the eye. Mark it here. And it goes down quite steeply. Her eyebrows are also a little bit thicker than mine. For the lips, the most similar color I found to the one that I used on Margot Robbie was the lip liner by Kat Von D called Lovecraft. She has a defined cupid bow and the bottom lips are slightly bigger than the top lip. I'm adding some lip balm over the top. Then it's time for the wig. So what I did with the wig was I bought this wig from Shine, which already had a bit of a fringe, but it wasn't really thick enough. So therefore I moved the hairline further back, combed it forwards, and cut it to the same length as the fringe she already had, and some extra longer bits on the side. Then I pulled the rest of the hair back and added a clip-in ponytail. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more exciting Barbie content, I have another video where I turn into the actual Barbie doll. And make sure you check out any reels, I might do some Barbie reels as well. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any upcoming videos. Bye Barbie!